Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I edited this photo, so stay with me. So let's start it. Step 1. Open Pixar. Scroll down and select Free Photos, and search Blur Background Photo. Click on Sticker, and search Tree Branch. Scroll down, and select Perfect One. Again, search Groot. Select it and drag it perfectly. Now save and import to Lightroom. Final step. And my favorite step. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos and press the bell icon.